Hello and welcome to The-Mindfulness.com, a dashboard for your analytics, practices, and healing of your mindfulness and meditation using the EEG devices like Muse 1, Muse 2, and Muse S. In this video, I'll be sharing how to use the mindfulness dashboard to master your calmness. First of all, thank you very much for your support and feedback. With the help of your feedback, we have launched the version 1 with the new features and improvements. Let's see how we can use the dashboard for mastering calmness. Log in to the website and visit the dashboard section. Click the connect button to connect your EEG device. We define calmness as a state where our thoughts, emotions, and cognition doesn't distract our attention, and when all are flowing without conflict, we are in calmness. With our conscious rhythm protocols and the algorithm, we can identify your calmness and show it to you in real time. Let's see how it works. When we are calm, you can see in the graph the attention, emotion, and cognition forming an order in the graph. When we maintain the stability in the subjective experience of calmness by keeping the attention, emotion, and cognition, we create a rhythm. And the more coherent is the rhythm, the better is our calmness. And the algorithm identifies the coherent rhythm in the brain waves and gives us feedback whenever you achieve the coherent rhythm. It means whenever you are in calmness and you have made in the right order in your brain waves, we can see it in real time and get a feedback. This approach to identifying rhythm gives a realistic picture of our subjective experiences. We have other protocols which can give you a clear picture of our subjective experiences like emotional well-being, focus, sensational well-being, peacefulness, mindfulness, and the flow state. In every protocol, you can see your subjective experiences in real time through each conscious brainwave range, or how they make a coherent rhythm in the protocol. If you are trying to master your emotional well-being through your meditations and mindfulness practices, you can see how it changes in real time by selecting only attention and emotion in the graph. The more emotional stable you are, you will find more rhythm between attention and emotion. The mindfulness dashboard can help you in any of your meditation and mindfulness practices. Whenever we make a coherent rhythm and master the practice, it will show you the result in real time.